So I have curly and unruly lashes, but in this video I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways I apply my lashes. So let's get into it. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with some mascara. This is a mascara that I'm going to be using here. You can really use any mascara, but this is what I'm going to be using. I like to start prepping my eyelashes with some mascara. So this is the glue that I use. Don't mind my crusty little eyelash glue. And then I use some lashes. These lashes I got from Amazon. They're my favorite lashes. They are the Hoop Lunch false eyelashes. I'll put somewhere up here like the exact style number. I'm going to take some tweezers. Make sure your tweezers are clean and they don't have any glue or anything stuck on them, because that will get stuck to your lashes. So I'm going to show 2 ways that I can apply my lashes. So on this eye I'll do one method, and the second eye I'll do another method. I think the second one will probably be the easiest. Well, no, it really depends. It depends on what you have available. So I'm just going to apply some of the glue to my eyelash. So I like to apply the glue to like the top and the back. And so we want to let this get tacky. So you can see like the white glue now, but when it's tacky, it should be about clear. And then that's when you can apply it to your eye. So I have my mirror here. I have a magnifying side and then just a regular side to it. I like to use the magnifying side when I'm doing my eyelashes. It's just easier to see that way. And this is what your lash should look like once it's ready to apply. So the first method that I use to apply my lashes, and this is like mainly if I don't have this type of mirror, it's more like if I'm at a hotel getting ready, or you know, somewhere where I don't have my regular mirrors. I'll just take my eye, slant it like this, and then I'll lay it flat across my lash line. And you can see your lash line a lot clearer when you kind of flatten it out like this. So I'm just going to apply it against my lash line. So I apply it in the middle, towards the edge, the back, and then towards my inner corner. And then I just press the lashes together. So I use the tweezers to press my lashes and the fake lashes together at like the band, so it can be seamless. And that's one way to apply your lash. Okay, so for the second way to apply your lashes, this one's going to require you to look down when you apply your lashes. So I'm going to move my mirror down. So if you have like a little compact mirror, you can do this and just like hold it down so you can look down and apply it kind of like on the top. Hopefully I'll be in camera. I think I learned this method a long time ago, but I feel like it was Aaliyah J who showed this method, and I've been following it ever since. It's definitely good for like beginners. And I also have curly lashes, so it definitely helped me too. You'll have your mirror, you'll look down, and the mirror will kind of be underneath your eye, and then you'll just place it on top of your eye that way. I can't hold it and do it because it's too big, but I'm just gonna apply it on my lash line. When I do it this way, I do go middle, inner corner, and then outer. Okay, and then I also clamp these together with my tweezers. Okay, and this is how I apply my lashes. I'm gonna close my eyes. I don't know if that's gonna help. So these are my 2 different ways to apply my lashes. Hopefully it was helpful for you guys, but like realistically speaking, applying lashes takes a little bit of practice and time. So make sure you practice, because you probably won't get it right the first time. I do have curly eyelashes, so this is what I've been using to help me apply my lashes. It's a little bit harder for me, especially like on the outer corners. But yeah, this is how I apply my lashes. So let me know what you guys think down below.